ZYREX ZA987, and let me show you how to check IMEI number, and let me show you how to find serial number on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start here by using the home screen, choose the phone's dialer, and let's use this code *#06#. The IMEI number just pops up. Let's tap OK to close this window. You can also check this information and also find the serial number by using settings. So let me show you how to do it. Let's tap settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose here the about phone. Here let's tap status, and here you should find information about your serial number, IP address, Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi MAC address, and also the email information right here. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.